Now let's look at this question number 9 for JAMB Past Question Chemistry 2018. Which of the following pairs of substances will react further with oxygen to form a higher oxide? A. CO2 and H2O. B. NO and H2O. C. CO and CO2. D. SO2 and NO. So which of the following pair of substances will react further with oxygen to form a higher oxide? Now, what are higher oxides? If we want to understand this, we need to know what higher oxide are. What are higher oxides? Higher oxides are compounds with greater proportion of oxygen. So any compound in which there is greater proportion of oxygen, like now you have H2O, which is a normal neutral oxide. Now you have also H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide. This is a peroxide. So this is a peroxide. Specifically, this is hydrogen peroxide. So this is a higher oxide because there is more oxygen here. This is O2, this is normal O. So this is a neutral oxide. You should know that we have neutral oxide, we have higher oxide, we have basic oxide, we have acidic oxide, the ones that are from non-metals, basic, the ones that are from metals. This one, they are from non-metals, and they also form acidic solutions. This one form basic solutions. So these oxides, there are also what we call amphoteric oxide. You need to know about this as well. These amphoteric, they can behave as acidic oxide or basic oxide, whereas neutral oxide like H2O we have. But we also have hydrogen peroxides, and we have also other higher oxides. So you need to take note of all these types of oxides. But here in this question, they are asking us which of these pair now will react further with oxygen to form higher oxide. So there are higher oxides like this peroxide. Whenever you have something like this, there is disproportionate number of oxygen. Oxygen is a higher proportion. So how do you get about this? So you can see that you can actually get about this by having more oxidation of the normal oxides. When you oxidize them more, when they have more oxygen, they can form higher oxides. So which are the oxidation agents here that can help you to have such greater amounts of oxygen? If you look at this, you see that you have CO2, this is an oxidizing agent, and O2. So this can do it. This does not have enough oxygen in it. This does not have. This actually reduce. It can reduce oxygen, the CO2, the CO. Like you know, the CO, when you inhale it, it can reduce the oxygen in your body. And this also has lesser, though this one has plenty oxygen. So you can say that this is an oxide. This is also a good oxide. So these two can actually oxidize something that has normal oxygen into higher oxide. So I think option A is a suitable answer for this. D would have been because of SO2, but considering NO, so that is why I picked this option A. Thank you.